Hello students, I am Sridhar from Tunga School of Basic and Applied Sciences Jamkhandi, Department of Computer Science. Now I am here to introduce the subject for the first semester, and the subject is named as Digital Logic and Computer Design. Okay? The subject carries 100 marks, and out of 100, 20 is your internals and 80 will be the theory marks. Okay? And the subject has practical programs as well, which has 17 lab programs and which carries 50 marks. Out of 50, 10 is your internal marks and 40 marks for your practical exams. Okay? We have total 4 hours to complete theory syllabus and also 3 hours in a week to complete these practicals. Okay? And the subject have 5 units. The first unit is known as Digital Systems and Binary Numbers. There we are going to discuss about what is digital systems, what are the different types of numbers and base conversion and many more things. Okay? And also we have the second unit which is named as Boolean Algebra. There again we are going to discuss about Boolean postulates, some rules and simplifications and all. Okay? The third unit which is known as Combinational Logic. There again we have the logic circuits like adder, subtractor, multiplexer and many more. Okay? And the fourth unit which is known as Synchronous Sequential Logic. Again in this we have logic circuits, flip-flops, counters, registers and many more things. We will discuss all these things in the further days. Okay. And the last unit is known as Memory and Programmable Logic. Again we have different types of memory units there: RAM, ROM, programmable logic array, programmable array logic and many more things we are going to discuss those also in the coming days. Okay, this is all about your 5 units which is from Digital Logic and Computer Design. The evaluation method for this exam is, for theory we have total 3 sections in the university exams, section A, B and C, like that. In the section A you will get 10 questions. Out of 10 you need to answer all the 10 questions, which carries 2 marks. It means that 2 into 10 you will get total 20 marks for the section A. Okay? In the section B you have 5 marks questions. There you need to answer 4 questions out of 5 or 6 and you will get 20 marks in it. Okay? And the section C you have 10 marks questions. There again you need to answer 4 questions out of 5 or out of 6 and you will get 40 marks in it. The total marks will be 80. Okay, that is your theory exams. Like that, for practicals also you will get 2 lab programs out of 17 lab programs. You have 5 marks for your journal, 5 marks for your viva and 5 for your program or circuit design, 15 marks for your program construction or circuit design, 15 marks for your execution. Okay, it becomes 40. As I told before, 10 will be your internals, 40 is your for practical exam. The total marks is 50, and for theory you have 80 marks for your theory exam and you will get 20 marks as an internal. The total is 100 plus 50. The total marks for this subject is 150. Okay, this is all about the information for the first semester computer science.